Hey guys, it's Zilla, and it's 2019, guys. Like, can you believe this? Like, I don't know, it's just so surreal to me, but I am so happy that 2018 is done and over and she's gone. And now we're here for, 2019, big and better things. This is the first video starting off 2019, and it's another client tutorial, as you can see. I won't be doing that much talking in this video because I kind of just want it to be kind of a visual where you can just see everything that I'm doing. I don't want to have to like talk y'all's ears off, you know what I'm saying? So continue to watch the video and I hope you guys will like it. And honestly, if you guys have any questions or anything about any products I'm using or techniques or anything like that, just leave the comments down below. And yeah, see you guys later. For this client tutorial, I actually used the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, as you've seen, that I just listed. And I'm not gonna lie, it's not my most favorite palette. Some of the colors go on like seamlessly, like this kind of cranberry color that I'm putting on the lid right now went on super smooth. But when I tried to layer it with like a darker, almost like burgundy, kind of like a dark burgundy, almost, I don't want to say black, but brown, you can see that it's kind of patchy on the corners, so I had to do a lot of layering. So if you're not really into that and you kind of just want something that's simple and easy and that's going to blend out seamlessly, you may not want to get this palette. But if you are kind of okay with kind of finessing the game, which I had to do, then you might actually like this palette. But yeah.
Pick the sample back up, yeah. Pick the sample back up, yeah. Pick the sample back up, yeah. Pick the sample back up, yeah. Pick the sample back up, yeah. Pick the sample back up, yeah. Pick the sample back up, yeah. Oh, yeah. Da, 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 da.
And voila, we have liner and lashes on. Y'all know I never record the liner or lashes part. If you guys want to see that portion of the video, just let me know. But I kind of feel like it's very like simple that I just kind of just do it really quickly and then I record afterwards. But now we're going into the skin. I'm just prepping her skin, and then we're going to be doing a really nice dewy sort of like flawless look. This look is really kind of red carpet inspired because it is award season. I feel like you're going to be seeing a lot of like nice kind of like cranberry pinky hues on the red carpet from what I've been seeing, and obviously like a lot of glowy skin as per usual. So yeah.
One day Pick the sample back up, yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. La, da, 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 da.
So now I'm just finishing off the highlighting and concealing, and we're about to go into the contouring of the face. Now you'll see probably like in the next clip or so that I do kind of contour a little bit higher than the cheekbones and kind of just like the perimeter of the forehead. I just prefer that because I feel like sometimes when you put the contour a little bit too low, it almost gives like this really sunken in like cheek look, and I do not like that. So I like to put it a little higher so that way it's actually sitting on top of the cheekbone and it's actually sculpting the face. And right now we're actually just doing a little bit of nose contour. I don't go ham with the nose contour, honestly. It's not my favorite thing to do. I feel like natural is better. Embrace your natural nose. So yeah, we didn't do too much there. And then now I'm just going to go in and start blending everything. Okay, and this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys liked this like red carpet celeb inspired makeup tutorial. I had a lot of fun doing this. I think I'm gonna do maybe like one or two more looks kind of revolving around like red carpet makeup because that's kind of like what I'm into right now. I've just been really feeling what's on the red carpet and what a lot of these celeb makeup artists are doing. Like they are killing it right now. So I hope you guys like it and enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.
Pick the sample back up, yeah. 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 Pick the sample back up, yeah.